Today, I'll be sharing with you vital steps on how to buy property in Turkey step by step. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Aydin Cakir and I'm a real estate agent here in Turkey. First, let me share with you a few common concerns foreign nationals like you may have about buying properties in Turkey. Number 1, fear of being defrauded. When this happens, you lose precious time and money. Number 2, differences in applicable laws and legal systems governing the real estate industry. Number 3, language barrier which unfortunately exists in all the countries. Number 4, the feeling of lack of control over the process which arises because you are not so familiar with the country you are purchasing in. While these concerns are valid, this video will help you put all the fears and concerns away. Buying property of your dreams in Turkey is a truly rewarding experience, and it can be done with ease, simplicity, and fun, with no headache whatsoever. So let's dive in. Step 1, do your research. Turkish property market is growing by the day. That means there are thousands of properties for sale and hundreds of real estate agents. Now, each agent will give you different information and advice based on their knowledge and experiences. So, it's advisable to do your own findings into which region in Turkey suits your needs, lifestyle, and budget, so you won't be totally lost. Definitely, you cannot understand the whole picture of property market in Turkey, but having an idea of what to expect will help you with your decision making. Step 2, find your agent and build a relationship. When looking for a home in Turkey, it's very important to compare different property agents. Go to their website, check their testimonials, and find out their level of experiences. For example, I'm based in Turkey and I have been doing this business for over 15 years. While most real estate companies out there are based abroad and work with local partners. The reason why this step is important is that quality agents do not have a fixed property to sell you. They have no written sales script. They meet the demands of their customers by first listening to them and then go out there to look for properties suitable for their clients. Now that's what solid real estate agents do. This is why it's a good practice to build thriving relationships with agents. It motivates them to go all out for you and give you their best work. And these relationships may even continue after you purchase your new home. Step 3, join a viewing trip before you buy. You're making a huge investment. You're not only buying a property, you're buying a lifestyle. A dream location where you and your family can enjoy and feel at home. There is no harm in having a taste of what to expect before you purchase that property. So take a flight to Turkey, join one of my viewing trips, and let's visit as many chosen properties as possible. By the way, I offer my clients free viewing trips to Turkey to discover the property offers before they buy. I explained the whole process of viewing trip in another video, for which I will leave a link in the description below. I will put my WhatsApp number on the screen and in the description below in case you have questions about my free viewing trip to Turkey. You can rest assured that I will show you both the properties and of course the surrounding environment where these properties are located. We will visit local restaurants to discover the world famous Turkish cuisine, as well as shopping malls and relaxation spots. If any of the offers feels good and right, we will help you step by step to make a purchase. Step 4, negotiate on the best price and terms of purchase. Whether you're buying your dream home for retirement or investment property, you can negotiate on the best price and terms of purchase. Have in mind that when making a purchase, there are costs associated with buying properties in Turkey. I covered this topic in depth in another video, for which I will leave a link in the description below. Although you don't need to worry because this cost is not so much and are significantly lesser than those in Spain, France, Portugal, and Italy. Step 5, sign the agreement and conduct the final check of the property. Once you are happy with the details, you can sign the contract. After signing the contract, it will take few business days to complete all necessary paperwork, including the Tapu and utility registrations. If you cannot stay in the location until the completion of this paperwork, you can leave a power of attorney to your agent or an independent lawyer to finalize the paperwork. Please bear in mind that if you're buying a property under construction, you will most likely get the Tapu, aka ownership, with the delivery of the property, unless mentioned otherwise. Step 6. Receive your title deeds, also known as Tapu. And the final step is to register the title deed, also known as Turkish Tapu. A Turkish Tapu is the most important document denoting property ownership. It contains information about the property and the owner, which is you. Once the paperwork has been secured and both sides have met mutual obligations, your new home will be registered to your name and you will receive the Turkish Tapu. Please bear in mind that Land Registry and Cadastre Office is the only Turkish authority who can register the property ownership under your name. So that's my guide on how to buy a property in Turkey step by step. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with Turkey real estate market. Also visit aydinjakir.com if you have any questions. Thank you.